goodness, we've got a set of jump leads in here. Let's try this one. Choke out. Please start. What is going on today? Now we've exhausted plans A and B. Let's move on to plan C. Try using the batteries. Positive. Oh no, I should do negative first. Negative. Positive. Right, now let's have a go. Please, please, please start. Ah, thank God for that. So that was the Triumph's battery used to start the Capri. Shouldn't need that now. Thank you, Triumph battery. Now, what's wrong with the Triumph? Well, I've come back over to the Triumph now. I've put the battery back in. Yeah, I've got to put the handle underneath the battery strap, but that doesn't matter. And I can tell that there's no petrol getting to it because the little filter here is empty, and whenever I try and start it, it doesn't pump through. So I've had this problem before, and it's always been the petrol pump. The fuel evaporates and then it can't suck any more through. Normally how I solve this is that I loosen the little nut on the top of the air filter, and you just dribble a little bit of petrol onto there, and then it coughs and that makes the pump spurt into action. So we're going to give that a try now, and hopefully it'll start up. Oh, so I'll loosen that nut slightly. I've got my can of petrol here and my fire extinguisher handy. Only want the tiniest dribble on here. It's going to be interesting. Yes, that's cool, isn't it? Yes. That was it.